In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can build links to your website using the question and answer site Quora. Quora is a great place to build links because you can simply go on there, answer some questions around your chosen subject, preferably the subject that your site is about, and in doing that you can include a link to a relevant article or whatever on your site. So let's get started. Hello, it's Alex here from WP Eagle. Hope you're all well. So, as you probably already know, building links is a good thing to do. Links help you rank better on the search engines, they bring you traffic, and they're generally a really good way of promoting your site. However, a lot of people struggle building links to their site. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can build links from question and answer sites, and in particular, Quora, which is one of the biggest question and answer sites out there. Now, before I get on the computer and take you through it, if you're new to the channel, hello! It'd be great if you could subscribe. That way you won't miss out on any future videos. Just click the button below and click the bell to be notified when I upload. And if you like this video, if it helped you out, do click the like button. I really appreciate it. But anyway, let's get on the computer and build some links. So I'm over at bowwowtech.co.uk, which is an Amazon affiliate website I created in a previous tutorial. I'll put a link to that tutorial in the description, and I'll put a card up now if you want to go check that out if you've not seen it already. Now on this site I've got some articles within the blog, and one of them is this one, which is 11 tips for safe nighttime dog walking. It's an infographic which kind of covers the basics of keeping safe when you're walking your dog at night in the dark. It mentions some products which are obviously all available on Amazon, and then I've got it in text below. It does need a little bit more work to it. I should add some products probably in that kind of thing. At the moment I've just got a link through to all of my dog walking products, but it would probably convert a bit better if I added specific products to this post, which I will get round to doing very soon. But anyway, I've been building some links to this infographic. I've been doing some reach out and that kind of thing where I've been approaching other sites and saying, would you like an infographic? And some of them have said yes, and in return they give me a link. But today I'm going to build some links to this post using Quora. Now, Quora is a question and answer site. People ask questions and people answer questions, funnily enough. And of course you can answer questions. And by answering questions, it gives you an opportunity to include a link. So let's head over to Quora. I'm going to open another tab, just type in Quora. Sort of type in Quora. There we go. And here we are. And then you've got the search box up the top, and what I'm going to do is do a search for a dog walking at night and see what we get. So there's a few questions. I'm just looking for one that's going to be particularly relevant. So what dog breeds? That's not going to be so good. Proper dog walking etiquette. Oh, interesting. Let's just change this to something else. Let's see if we can get something more specific. Safe dog walk night. Let's do that. How should I act to be safe when walking in dark streets at night? And there are dogs in Thailand. Ooh, blimey. That could be suitable. Let's see if we can find something that is going to be more suitable. So it's just a matter of really just doing some good searches and trying to find a question that is really relevant. So I'm going to do another search now. Let's get more specific and go for something like dog. Oh, I can't type today. Dog walking lights. See what we get with that. So here we go. Let's see what we've got here. If my dog goes into the sea, one of those battery operated safe lights, will he get electrocuted? That's a good question. Not quite as relevant as I'd like. That's not going good. This one looks good. We live in a very poor lighted area. Poorly lit probably is the best way to put it, but never mind. Any recommendations? This is perfect. So let's have a look. So it's currently got 7 answers. That's nothing to worry about. Let's just have a look at the quality of the answers. I mean, they're okay. They're quite short. I'd recommend that you put a kind of, in-depth, thorough answer as best you can. But, it's really up to you. So let's create an answer for this question. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to repurpose the piece of content that I've got. I'm not going to copy and paste it directly, and I am going to kind of rewrite it and move stuff around so that it becomes unique and it's, you know, specific to that question basically. So just give me a minute and I'll put together an answer, and then we can post it straight onto Quora. So here we go. This is what I put together. I've basically just repurposed the content that was in that article. I've added a few little bits and bobs extra just to make it unique. And of course, I've included a link to the infographic. Now, I could have probably done it a little bit longer, but I think this is fine for this particular demonstration. And I think I'll be able to get a link with this. So I'm just going to copy it to my clipboard, and I'm going to go back to Quora. Here we are. And here's the question. And then I'm going to answer it. So I'm just going to click answer and paste that in. Let's just change that to here, reads a bit better. And there we have it. There's our link. There's our answer. That looks good. Let's click submit. You can add a credential to add a little bit of credibility. So let's select dog walkers. Let's go for I've been walking dogs for over 10 years. I can say that because my dog is 12, so it's at least 10 years. Let's click save. And then we can close that. So here's my answer. Here's my credential. There's the link. And that's looking good. So now if we go back to the question, there I am. I'm at the top, but that could be because I'm logged in as me. And there's my link. And if we click that, it takes us straight through to the infographic post. So I hope you found that useful. I hope you're going to head over to Quora now and answer some questions. Now, of course, if you find some questions on there where you don't have content, you'll have to create some content and add it to your blog. So it's also a great way to get inspiration for, you know, things to create articles about and infographics and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, let's go back to my face and finish this video. That brings us to the end of this video. Thanks very much for watching. Hope that's inspired you now to go over to the question and answer sites like Quora. Yahoo Answers is another one that you can check out, by the way, and start building some links back to your site. Let me know how you get on in the comments, or if you've got any questions or anything like that. I'll also do my best to answer those. Just leave them all below and I'll take a look. If you're not already subscribed, then please do click on the eagle that's just appeared up there somewhere. And remember to click the bell to be notified. Here's my other channel. It's like a vlog channel. I think you might like it. Do check it out. And somewhere another video has just appeared. It's chosen especially for you. Enjoy. Until next time, bye for now.